Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get a smoky eye. Okay, so I already put on my primer and my foundation because today's video is just going to primarily focus on a smoky eye look. So I have primer and foundation all over my face. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do my eyebrows. I use the Anastasia brow definer in the shade Ebony to do my eyebrows, and how I like to do my eyebrows is I like to shape them and then fill them in. So I'm going to quickly do that and we'll see where we go. Okay, so after you fill them in, you're just going to go in with your brow brush and you're just going to blend it. Okay, so that's it for brows. When I do brows, I make sure to really define my arch. So if that's something that you have, then I would definitely suggest doing that because it just like helps lift up your eyebrows. And if you guys can notice, my eyebrows are like two different shapes because like my eyes are two different shapes. It's kind of weird. It's just something I've like always lived with, but it does make makeup pretty hard. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Maybelline's concealer in the shade Fair, and I am going to outline those brows. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out. Okay, and then you just go back in with your brush and then you just comb it out. Okay, and that's it for the brows. So now I'm going to go into the eye look. So for today's eye look, we are doing a smoky eye. And I am using the palette Sultry by Anastasia. So for smoky eye, you want it to be darker on the outer corners. So you're going to start by going in with a dark color. So I'm going to go in with the shade Dystopian. It's that brown color in the middle. And then I'm just going to take a beauty brush and I'm going to gently tap into it. You don't want to make sure that it's too heavy in the powder because then it will come off really dark. But if that's something you want, then go ahead and do it. So now I'm just going to apply this to my outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the same color and go to my opposite side. Okay, so now you have the colors on your outer corner. So now you're going to take a eyeshadow brush that has a wider setting and you're going to blend it into your crease and your brow bone. Okay, so now you have that. And for some reason, for me, my left eye is always harder to blend. I don't understand why, but I guess that's just how my eyes function. So now you're going to go in with a lighter shade of brown. You don't want to go in with a darker color because you're going to be putting this on your brow bone and blending it into the crease. So I'm going to go in with the shade Twig, which is that color right there. So I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend out that dark dystopian color, and I'm going to dip it in there. Okay, so just load up your brush and then tap it into the mirror. That way the powder stays on your brush. And then you're going to place it on your brow bone and then blend. Okay, so now that's on. You're going to take a clean brush. So I'm going to use the Blending Eye Brush by e.l.f. and it looks like this. And then you're just going to blend that line into your brow bone. That way you get rid of the harsh edge. Okay, so that is most of the smoky eye, and if you want your outer corner on your eyelid to be a bit darker, you can go back into that dark brown shade, or if you are bold enough, then you can go into a black color like this Noir. So I'm going to take the eye crease brush and I'm going to gently dip into the Noir shade. Just gently, like you can barely see it. Tap it off because you do not want that much darkness, and then go in and just gently, and you can see how like just a little bit of eyeshadow gets you a very long way. Okay, so now I have a dark color. I'm going to take a brush, this one, and I'm going to blend that in. Okay, so now you're going to grab a concealer or a eyeshadow primer, and you're going to cut the crease. So generally what I do is I put a dab right here and then mix that with my eye. So look up, and then you have that crease of where it should be. So then you're just going to follow that. Okay, and now you're going to grab your damp beauty blender and blend that. Okay, so now grabbing the brush that you used for your outer corner, you're just going to kind of blend that in. Alright, so that's part of the smoky eye. Now you're going to want to go into a light shade, and my foot is falling asleep. It's going asleep. Alright, so I'm going to dip into the shade Fresh. It's that off-white kind of cream color, and then I'm just going to put that on my eyelid. Okay, so that is the eye look. Now you can go in with mascara and do however you'd like, or you can apply some lashes. So I'm gonna quickly blend this out just a little bit more, and then I'm going to apply some fake lashes. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm just going to do some contour and some blush, and then I'm going to set it off. Okay, so now that we've done our contour and blush, I didn't want to make it too pigmented, but you can definitely see the contour and then a little bit of the pink blush that I used. So now I'm going to go in with Covergirl Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist. It looks like this, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face to really lock that in. Alright, now that's done, I am going to do some lipstick and then we're finished. Alright, that concludes today's video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe below, and make sure to follow my socials. Thank you guys!